concealer inner corner, concealer outer corner, down the side of your nose, small amount on the center, middle of forehead, under your ear to the corner of your lip. Lightly blend with your sponge. You'll still see some harsh lines, but that's what we want. Smile and apply liquid blush on the apples of your cheeks and up towards your temples. Blend with your sponge. You can bring it a little bit up towards your under eye concealer, but make sure to not bring it lower than your cheekbones. Cream contour on your cheekbones from the top of your ear down to the corner of your lip and slightly bring it up towards the blush section. I'm going to put a little bit on the perimeter of your forehead and a little bit in the crease of your eyes, bottom of your nose, sides of your nose. A light sweep on your jawline, a little shadow under your lips. Grab your flat foundation brush and dab over contour areas to blend all together. Some setting spray, and with a bigger foundation brush, start swiping any harsh areas. Set your under eyes, bake under cheekbones, and use leftover powder on your powder puff just to lightly set the rest of your face. Add a little bit of powder blush, glow on the apples of your cheeks, some pawpaw, gel up your brow hairs, and you're done.